In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota RAV4 key fob to change the internal battery at home. Now, if you're looking at this device and you maybe have the 3-button version, it's going to look just like this, but it is going to have 3 instead of 4 buttons. Don't worry, this is the same device. The process to open it up is exactly the same, and it uses the same battery. So just follow along, no matter which device you have. And you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get that, or you would like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then once you have everything, you can just follow along with me. The first step here is to look on the side of the device. You can see there's that little button that says push. Just push on the top of it, hold that down, and pull out the internal key. Oops. Now we will need just a regular flathead screwdriver. You can see there is the keyhole, and then perpendicular to that, there is a little slot in the plastic, okay? Keyhole, slot in the plastic. Insert your flathead screwdriver into that little slot, and you're just going to twist the tool until this back part comes off. Set that to the side and lift out this little circuit board here. That houses the battery. And we're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver, and you can see the battery right there. We're going to insert it between the battery and this black plastic behind it. Hold this component on the sides. Try not to touch this part too much, as it has some delicate parts in there. And we're just going to apply a little constant pressure while wiggling, and you will slip under the battery and it will just kind of pop out for you. So let me show you that once again. Pushing it under the battery. And there you go. Don't go jamming it in, just kind of push until you feel it slide in there. It's not too difficult. Once again, this is a CR2032. Check the link in the description if you are interested in picking one of those up on Amazon. And make sure you're putting the battery in, the new battery, positive side up. So you want to see this plus sign. When you click the battery back in there, you want to see that plus sign facing up. Now on the back of the device, you can see this little circle there. The battery will sit on top of that circle just like this. So position that, set it down, circuit board facing up, and of course we can just click these two halves back together. Give it a squeeze, check around there, make sure it's all secure, and of course put your key back in there. That's all it takes, guys. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just give this video a like so that it can find other people and help them out as well. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.